Hello everyone, and in this video we will be covering this question: are we in the bull phase? And then after that we will talk about the current market structure, and lastly we will talk about the Bitcoin support and resistance. So starting with this question, are we in the bull phase? I'll talk about this in the daily time frame, and before I start sharing all the views about the Bitcoin, it's not a financial advice. Please do your own research for any sort of a financial decision. And what I am trying to do is I am sharing the price levels on the basis of my indicator, which I am using, my custom indicator. And so far, all the videos which I have uploaded, are like things happened in that way, which I have talked about in my videos. So yeah, please do your own research. So let's start with analysis. Are we in the bull phase? So for that one, as I said, I will be taking this daily time frame analysis, and in my one of the indicator which I'm using, this signal which it says first bull, this is first signal that we are in a bull phase. So it's like, yeah, we are in a bull phase. As long as the price is trading above this level, then every move which will be happening in the future, even including the correction which I will be talking about here from its current price level, uh, then the move which ideally supposed to be going for the upside is from this specific level. So the main thing is, as long as the price is trading above this level, yep, we are in the bull phase. That is what my indicator is telling me. Now when it comes to current price level, and the implication and the things which might gonna happen in, and my assumption and my prediction is, by the end of September, the price where it is trading, eventually it will come down to take a support to this level. So these are the two price level right now which is holding the price above above these levels. And these levels are not a random level. This has a weekly time frame level, and also this has a 3-day time frame level. So these two time frame levels has a support. Because of that, the price is currently trading, and there will be some sort of uh, a trap ahead for those who are thinking of the price will continue for the upside from here. And even if I have to address about that part, the prices may continue for the upside. For that, if price took a support here, which ideally and which eventually the Bitcoin will get a support, then the first price where the Bitcoin will try to go for is this level. And then if the price successfully closed above this level in the daily time frame and started trading above this level, then we might gonna see this level. So we have these two price levels. This is a resistance, and this is also resistance. As long as the price is trading above these levels, then only we have a chance. But I think the scenario would be like this: price may come down here, and then there will be some sort of a attempt. Most likely the attempt will get failed, and then you know and then eventually what the price will do is, price will break below this level in both of all these levels, and then started trading below this level. If that happens, then the price will most likely go for this level, and this is the most important level with this Bitcoin has it right now. And as I said, as long as the Bitcoin is trading above this specific level, we can think of it as the Bitcoin has some ground, or Bitcoin is still in the bullish phase. So these two these I mean these has two, including the daily and the not the two, but yeah, there are three levels here, but I'm just taking combined two level. If any especially if weekly time frame candle break below this level here and started trading, then that is the first sign. And well, I don't want to go into the details, but the thing is, what I am expecting and my prediction is by the end of this September month, the price will come back down to take a support here. This is the main support. And there are let's see how this might gonna happen. So currently when it comes to analysis, what I do is I do the multi-time frame analysis. I talked about the analysis in this daily time frame. Let's talk about in the 4 hour time frame and what is happening. And the important thing about my thing about my analysis is, and generally in the market what usually happens is each time frame has its own level. Okay, daily has its own level, and 1 hour has its own level, and all the time frame has its own level. As long as the price is trading above or below the level, that decides the the market next movement. So when it comes to 4 hour time frame analysis, the price is currently trading above this level. So as long as Bitcoin is trading above this level in the 4 hour time frame, uh, well, we can say in a 4 hour time frame the market is bullish above this level. And the last support this Bitcoin has in a 4 hour time frame is this. And if you guys take a look here, and let me just mark that level down, this level, which I just added, is slightly below the daily time frame level, as we can see. So this is the daily level, and this one is 4 hour level. So here, if which eventually going to happen, if price comes back down to take a support, the the daily level is there, and at the same time slightly below the daily level, we also have the Bitcoin also has the 4 hour level to to get a support, enough support, or the major sort of a support from lower time frame. So that's why I'm suggesting this level as a very important level, and including this level after me sharing the level of this, taking the reference from the 4 hour level. So in the downside, if any 4 hour candle closed below this specific level where it is trading, then that is going to be the first sign in the 4 hour time frame that the market is in the downside, or it is attempting to go for the this level. But that's not going to be the smooth sort of a downtrend or downside. As long as Bitcoin is trading above this level, there will be some some sort of a move for the upside. If I add this level uh, and include this level in all this time frame, as we can see, these two levels, and in the in the 4 hour time frame, this level is above these levels, these two price level. So in that 4 hour time frame specifically, if any weekly time frame candle closed below this level, and started trading here, there will be some support or in these areas. But eventually if price falls below this level also and started trading below this level here, then that is going to be the indication that the market will go for this level, which I am predicting. Where is the color? Okay, so currently in terms of market condition, and to address now what is the current market structure, it's in a distribution phase, which traders call, and I don't care, it's in a distribution phase where there is this sort of a consolidation which is happening here inside these levels, and eventually there will be some sort of a squeeze, and then eventually price falls below the level, and then there might be this there will be this level which Bitcoin will try to attempt to get a support here. And for the upside, during this consolidation there will be possibly, only if price break above this level, then it will take support of this daily level and then attempt for this level. So there, this this possibility is also there. So this is what we have in these two daily and 4 hour time frame analysis. uh, I can talk about the precise timing, but I'm just going to keep the things keep the information limited and clear with this uh, daily support, because eventually that is going to happen. And this is what we have, and I also talked about these levels as in support and resistance. So yeah, this is what we have in this Bitcoin analysis. And watch out for these levels, and eventually what is going to happen is Bitcoin will come down, take a support here in the daily, this level here in this specific level. So yeah, and let me just end with the disclaimer again. The things which I talked about in this analysis has nothing to do about recommendation or suggestion about buying and selling. Please do your own research and analysis for any sort of a financial decision. And yeah, that's all. And bye bye for now. See you in the next week or any other update.